let it bang.
Can't talk, watching Red Tape talk, but I'm finna get this desk popping.
The core of us.
Self-conscious, she has no idea what she doing in college. That major that she majored and don't make no money, but she won't drop out. Her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do head. Cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new pants. Cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious with the peer pressure. Couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. She had hair so long that it looked like weed. And she cut it all off, now she look like Eve. And she be dealing with some issues that you can't believe. Single black female addicted to retail as well.
Is we moved the desk over here and I'm putting the computer up. I moved the wigs over here and these are drying. Shut up, you're so nice.
Y'all, in the comments below, tell us what colors you want us to do on this wig.
Yo.
Remember when used to say that all the time?
Yes.
In the comments below.
My dad says that all the time now.
Yo, that's
whenever I do like he like in the comments below, tell me what you. I'm like, yo. First of all, y'all don't be looking at the comments.
Look, never look at the comments ever. I do sometimes. I gotta scroll. Make sure nobody talking trash.
Yo.
That's the only reason I go to comments. Everything that be positive, I skip over. Ain't that sad? That's what celebrities do too. They skip over all that. I love you so much. I will die for you. All that. And they go straight to the person that say, your makeup don't look good, so. Well, for your information.
This here is 17.
I can't believe Lacey about to be 18.
Okay. So, those are still drying. This is what everything's looking like right now. This is all the makeup stuff. Watch out, Court. Move to the side. Palettes, all that good stuff. Sydney she's working on the lashes and the foundations.
Don't show me.
Oh, sorry. This is what the desk looks like right now. just
Like,
kind of
where they
organizing
supposed to
everything
go?
so
This
that
nigga
they
just
can
on
go
the-
inside the bins. So, what?
Stop.
All right.
Oh, that's why Elsa took long. Because I
She
was
got the
washing my
foundations and the lashes
hair. I
done.
washed my hair. And I blow dried it. When? This morning.
Look at Courtney. Working hard. Don't wave like that.
How y'all doing? How y'all doing? God bless y'all. What happened to the other lipstick I was on?
Lippies.
This is a lot, Lexus. Okay. Check out that mirror.
Don't do your face like that.
That smells phenomenal.
Yo, shut up.
Thank God. Thank God. Because, like, compared to how it was smelling, like, I was in work, like...
Sydney was musty today, y'all.
No, I wasn't musty, but I was, like, I was...
Musty.
I was right. Shut up.
You was what?
I was right.
You.
What is this? Like, it's not, like...
Liquid
musty,
highlighter?
It's, like, ooh, you need to get in the shower.
Musty.
No, it
Stink,
wasn't
stink.
musty. It was
Rough.
pink. Like, oh.
Stinking.
Oh, like, oh.
Stanky booty air.
I was behind the
Stanky
desk.
booty air.
I was behind the desk the whole day. I was like this.
You had your arms and your legs closed. You had the stiff arms. She had the stiff arms.
You couldn't pay me to be on the phone and not take no daggone me shower. Shit. I washed my hair, then everybody started calling me. It was you should have washed her hair in the shower. But I understand your pain. I understand your pain. I get it. Like,
She just exposed you on the vlog. Because they didn't know you didn't take a shower. So she said...
y'all just got out though. I just got out. She just got out the shower.
Yo, Courtney face it.
I just got out the shower though. I just want y'all to know I use Irish Spring, so you can
Yeah,
look at the nail.
that mean you smell delish.
Yeah, I mean smoke delicious.
Irish
Y'all,
Springs
I
be
take
having me.
showers. I use some Irish too.
We believe.
Y'all all have y'all days. and I
We believe you. It's
y'all
alright.
too. I be smelling y'all in the comments.
Yo.
Shut up, W. Look. Don't show my toes. Y'all breakfast. And you gonna show them.
Let me
Stop. Sydney, like, you gotta know better. Look how I'm sitting.
Lexus, stop. Stop.
Dummy. Look how I'm scrunching them. You's a dummy, Sydney. Can I start like loading this mug back up?
Yeah.
Like, for real.
That
Which drawer?
that big drawer is for,
Palettes.
yeah.
This one?
Is that one the same size as that one?
I don't know. No, this is the big one. Oh, no.
They all look the same from the side,
Yeah, they're
though.
all big.
No, not
No, these
those.
are skinny. These tall.
Okay, so you could do the bottom one, palettes.
Okay. You go in there. You go in here, so.
Courtney, can you get all the big ones first?
I didn't even see these.
You thought you was gonna put 4 palettes in the thing?
Yo, bro. Who be giving you this?
Just focus.
Okay. I'm good for my homecoming, my prom, my wedding, my divorce. Yeah.
You're divorced. Yo, you play too much.
Say good boy. I better not get divorced. I mean, if he playing, we'll see, but I'm good for my my child of birth. Look, somebody better do my face when I'm giving birth, period. My pregnancy pictures. What's it called? Paternity pictures. Paternity pictures. I'm good for good. Set for life. You mean? I'm good for my wedding, your wedding, her wedding, his wedding.
His wedding.
They wedding.
Jay's wedding, Chad wedding, Trey wedding, Chai wedding, Licia wedding.
Good for all of them. Jan's wedding. Jan's really.
Mommy wedding.
Look, for real. Our mom's wedding.
Yeah.
We good.
No, Courtney. That was never standing up. She gonna try to stand the palette up. Got a couple more to go.
Put in the comment section if you want Lexus to do a lashes challenge. You should see how many lashes you can put on at one time.
You got me messed up. Yeah, what are you talking about?
Yeah, you're drunk. You can only put 2 on?
She gonna say you're drunk.
I mean, I
I'm just saying, like, 1, 2, 3.
Courtney, do you have to look at all of them before you put them in?
I kind of wanted. I was just a little curious because I like the outside, so I just want to see what colors they got inside.
And you can't even open it.
Okay. All right. And now, I like this one too. Yeah.
What is this?
That's all the
Mario Best
No, it's some over there
skincare.
by the drawer. Look
Facial
on the
spray.
floor.
Hey. I should have did biggest and smallest for real.
That's what I thought you was doing. What was you doing?
I mean, I was, but then it was some other big ones came. I don't know where. So
What this gonna do to my face?
Read it.
I know it got aloe vera on there.
Next we have the glitters and the loose eyeshadows.
So what? Can I put this highlighter stuff in there too?
Just put it in that one right there.
And what this?
Yeah.
And put this in there?
You can, yeah, you can start putting like smaller ones in there because there's no other big ones. I don't think.
I need the Wi-Fi.
Yo, my
It's the same Wi-Fi from the old house.
back. Like, I can't fit another one in here. I don't think.
Nope.
Yeah.
All right, next drawer.
This wasn't as bad as I thought. It really wasn't. Alright. And then I could put the baggy lip glosses in here too, huh? I'm gonna put the
I need to get like a
whole thing that you can do like this.
No.
On the camera. What's this?
Yeah, I do need to get one of those. Just put it in there. Oh, I was gonna say. I forgot.
Oh, this is highlighter too.
I forgot what I was gonna say.
You said you need one of them things.
I was gonna say a bag because I don't want them just laying all up in there.
You want to put them in here?
Ooh, yeah. Smart. Lashes. You might have to take them other ones out first.
These?
Yeah, because it still didn't even put no. Look. The eyelashes, I put them in the second drawer.
You want to put them up here?
Yeah, because that foundation is not gonna fit. No, Courtney, you can't put stuff on top. Just put it next to it. Because the drawers will get stuck.
Put this whole thing in here?
I need a screen protector. You got a screen protector, Lexa?
Nope.
At one time?
No. Here we got the palettes. Next. Then we got, what is that? Concealers and eyeshadows and,
No, this ain't concealer. Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is.
and lip pencils and stuff.
Yeah.
There's glitters back there, but you can't really see them. This is foundations and more concealers and lip stuff. This is the eyelash drawer and face stuff, like sprays. And this is lips and
beauty blenders.
Yeah.
Yay!
And then we got the makeup brushes.